Welcome to the beautiful Punakha Valley in Bhutan, a place where breathtaking landscapes meet unforgettable adventures. Today, we are rafting along the crystal clear Mo Chhu River with gentle grade 1 and 2 rapids. This is one of the safest and most enjoyable rafting experiences in Bhutan. Even if it's your first time, there is nothing to worry about. Experienced guides provide a complete safety briefing and all the necessary equipment. The rafting journey itself takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, including registration, safety instructions, changing, and transfers. You should plan for about 3 hours in total. Along the way, you will enjoy crystal clear water, lush green mountains, fresh Himalayan air, and spectacular views that makes every minute on the river truly memorable. The rafting cost approximately 100 to 125 US dollars per raft, accommodating up to 5 or 6 people. When shared among family or friends, it becomes an affordable and exciting adventure. The best part is that this activity fits perfectly into a one-day Punakha sightseeing tour. You can visit the magnificent Punakha Dzong, walk across the famous suspension bridge, enjoy the thrilling rafting experiences, have lunch, and still have time to visit other places. And sometimes the experience becomes even more special. Punakha River Rafting is more than just an adventure. It's a perfect blend of nature, excitement, and the warm hospitality of Bhutan. If you are planning a trip to Bhutan, be sure to add this experience to your itinerary. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Trips and Tips Narayanan Vasudevan for more travel guides and unforgettable experiences from around the world.
So cheri gachigi chilapi sankheri ata madochinandasa chigi delangagi shabthaya chandishai chete chigi nename so bumjarim chilutatogi no mengi kisem semi